Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. I sell used junk on eBay. Today is a Monday morning and we got 33 orders going out on eBay. 1 from Poshmark and 3 from Truegather, believe it or not. Truegather coming in strong yesterday. Actually, Friday sales and Saturday sales, absolutely amazing. Both days over $500, which is where I really like to be. Yesterday though, eBay just completely underperformed. I have some theories about that because of some messages, but I think yesterday on eBay, it's like $130 in sales. Absolutely horrible for what I'm used to, what we need to keep these lights on in this building. But Truegather was really strong. Poshmark, we actually had to sell, believe it or not, which a couple of weeks is usually what we get there. And then Amazon with my FBA did pretty good also. It was probably one of the very few days I've ever had where I've had more sales outside of eBay than actually on eBay. I think offers were really messed up yesterday. 2 of the sales that I actually went through were from people that I was sending offers to. They messaged me like, hey, this offer I can't accept it. It says it's no longer available. And we were able to work things out. Actually, I just had them send me the offers and then I accepted them. So I think something funky was going on with offers and who knows what else was happening. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what sold. Yeah, let's do this. All right, so start down on the floor. This was returned once before. It's actually still in the box. It's like a vacuum bag to a Kirby, so we're gonna sell that again. Also, just remember, we do have quite a bit of stuff at home. We got some plates at home. We've got a sewing machine part at home. We've got, what else? I know we got a 78 record, maybe some other stuff. I'll put it all up on the screen. Anyways, let's get going. We got sewing machine parts. These hinges sold on Truegather, so absolutely great. We sold this little crank wheel, hand wheel, sewing machine, sold that. This study Bible, it was a Truegather sale. What was that? Blackerby? I don't know. Study Bible, I think like $28 plus shipping on that. So really good Truegather sale. We got some more sewing machine parts. We got a little slide plate, a bobbin case, and I don't even know what to call that. All those are going out. CDs, had some good CD sales this weekend. Most of them are in the other unit. This, I think we got $28. This bike is a pipe bomb, presents Songs of Our Soil. Would you look that up if you saw that? I had it listed for 50, accepted an offer for 28. Just trying to move some stuff. One remote did sell, old Panasonic VCR remote. And we got some books going out. River Road Recipes. Another church hymnal. We've sold several copies of that one. Theoretical Physics, Mechanics, all sorts of good stuff there. Little King James Bible. And down here is an audio cassette lot. I've talked about this type of stuff before. This is by Rick Goodwin. I was the only one that had one of these listed on eBay. Old religious audio cassette type stuff. If there's none available, I will list them. Got $15, or I listed it at $15 plus shipping. Accepted an offer of like probably 10 or 12, something like that. Let's move this out of the way real quick. All right, let's see what else we got. A little Ralph Lauren Polo Sport Bear That Cares. Pretty cool. I think we got like around $20 off this guy. We got 2 of these stair brackets, I'm guessing. Is that what these are? Yeah, they're stair brackets. Pretty cool. 2 rights. Hopefully that's what they wanted. And last but not least, we got this. This is a Eskimo Joe's tank top. Eskimo Joe's is more like a local brand out of Stillwater. They got restaurants and all sorts of stuff. Typically, their stuff doesn't do too good for me unless it's quite a bit older like this one was. But that is everything in this unit. We're going to go down the other unit. See what sold down there. So we got some stuff down there. Our Poshmark sale is down there. Let's go down there. All right, so it's Monday, so I should probably talk to this camera and figure out what we're going to be working on this week. Not working on Friday, have some other stuff going on. So 4-day work week this week. So what do we need to do? One, the trailer is full of trash. I have to have that emptied. So we're gonna do that on Tuesday and Thursday. I wanna take books to the used bookstore here in town for trading credit. That only takes like 10 or 15 minutes. Absolutely amazing. It's great. Been very happy with that. What else do we need to work on? I need to finish sorting the books from that trailer load. I have the totes full of non-ISBN books to look up, so we will be doing that. And then probably filling the rest of the time mostly with sewing machines. Trying to get through those. Mostly doing that because Sewing machines is one thing that I actually have space in this unit. Actually, the other unit, I've got space to put them right now. I also have space for bulk books, but I just don't feel like doing that. I don't think I have time this week. Probably do that next week. So this week, sewing machines, #1 priority. We're gonna be working on that today. So yeah, I think that's the plan. All right, good talk. Let's see what's sold now. All right, so starting down here on the floor, got this, it's a really nice leather bag. It is Stetson branded. Now Stetson is not known for their bags. So kind of harder to sell this type of thing than it would be a Stetson hat, but it did sell, sold it over on Poshmark. I think it's gonna be under that 5-pound weight that we have to have on Poshmark. So we should be good there. But if not, we can upgrade the label. I do all my cross-listing with Vendu. The unlimited plan on Vendu is like $70 a month. Now, I've talked about this a lot before. The reason I cross-list is not to get these extra sales, or excuse me, let me rephrase that. The reason I use Vendu is not to get these extra sales. I'm using it as a backup, as like an insurance policy for my whole eBay store. Because this morning we hit 11,000 items and I do not want to lose those listings. So it's basically like an insurance policy. I've got those listings backed up in case anything happens to eBay. I mean, here, that was probably like 5 or 10 years ago, they lost everybody's photos. That'd be terrible if that happened. So it's worth $70 a month for that peace of mind. So yeah, we got that going on. The second reason is I do like to cross list some of my higher dollar things to Poshmark. Higher dollar being like $30 and above, for things that make sense. So if you want to check out Vendu, it's in the link put down below. Been very happy with it. It's super easy. Takes me no time. So loving that. We do have some fabric going out. We got some parrots here, so that's a pretty cool looking thing. Pretty cool looking. Here we got one hat, a little mossy oak hat. And up above it, we have a distributor off of a Volkswagen. All kinds of stuff going on today. I'm going to set that here on the cart so it doesn't get everything else greasy. What else do we have? That distributor really should have been put in another bag before I threw it in a tote. But oh well. I don't even know what those letters are, much less how to pronounce that. But that's some sort of CD. Here we got Bella Halmos, Hungarian folk music, pretty cool. Evil Knievel, Idiots 1. Foghorn String Band, Rattlesnake Tidal Wave, and then Kate Nash Girl Talk, and then this other Foghorn, pretty sure that's going out to the same buyer, Reap What You Sow. Those are my CD sales for the week. Lots of CDs listed, lots of CDs selling, nice and slow. I actually have some of these drawers that I could combine now, which I need to do because I'm going to be picking up, I should do that this week. On Wednesday, we're going to combine CD drawers because I'm picking up a Gaylord of CDs and DVDs this weekend. So that's coming up. We got 4 of these going out to the same buyer. That buyer paid $30 plus shipping. Striped baked salmon egg doubts. Got a bunch of this left. If anybody wants to try it out, send me an offer. I'll accept it. The Word and Life Study Bible. We do have some tabs over there. We sold that. We have Chinese paintings, electrical optical wave motion, and Johnny Appleseed. Well, kids book there. So that is everything we've got going out here that is in the storage unit. Like I mentioned earlier, we do have some stuff at home, 78 record, some breakable plates. I don't even remember what all else. One sewing machine part for sure. But that is it for today. Oh, one more thing. I guess I'm wearing the hat now. Oh, I remember now. I totally forgot what I was gonna say. Let's take this ridiculous hat off. I switched up how I'm doing my bookkeeping. I had been using Excel all this time, which is great for somebody that kind of likes the numbers and likes to be looking at it all the time, but I just found, I felt like it was taking too long. So I switched to QuickBooks. QuickBooks is going to be costing me like $30 a month. I do have like a free trial or something right now. I can't remember what I have. I think I've got first 3 months 50% off was what I ended up getting. So I'm trying it out. It should be a lot quicker than using Excel and updating everything. I can set up rules and it'll automatically categorize things. And I'm looking forward to that. So I spent a little bit of time Friday figuring that out, and that's going good so far. So QuickBooks, I've been very happy with that. What are you guys using for bookkeeping though? I was using Excel up until now. It's great. I just wanted something that would take up a little less time, so I don't have to do it every single day. Although I enjoy doing it every single day because then get a really good grasp of your numbers and what exactly is going on. So I don't want to lose that with QuickBooks. But for now, I'm actually doing both because I don't know, I really liked using the Excel, but I want it to take less time. So I need to switch to QuickBooks. I need to leave Excel behind. Oh well. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. All right, I'm gonna show you guys real quickly how we ship out t-shirt. Actually, I believe this is a tank top. Pull it out of the bag. I don't ship stuff out in these bags typically. I reuse them. I think it's good practice. Probably not worth my time pulling them out, but I think it's a good practice. And put it in a poly bag. It's gonna be just fine. If I got a $100 t-shirt, yeah, sure, I'll stick that thing in a box, but your average t-shirt, I think this one sold for like 20, 30 bucks. We'll put it in a poly bag. I get these from Gyro Pack. It's the cheapest poly bags I can find anywhere online. And you can use my code down in the description, Graph10, get an extra 10% off when you click on that link. Ship it out like this. I believe this one is, it's gonna be right under 8 ounces. That's what we're gonna do. That's how I ship out my t-shirts.